Hi guys, today we will be making slime. It's super easy. You guys are going to be needing soft soap and salt. I am using sparkles, you don't need it, and then a bowl and something to mix with. Okay, so let's get straight to it guys. I am going to put in my soap. Why put in a lot? Because it won't work if you don't put in a lot. Alright, that's enough. So, and now you guys are going to get a pinch of salt. And now I am going to open my sparkles. I'm going to put you guys down real quick. Okay guys, so I opened my sparkles. And I'm just going to okay. I'll make sure I put in enough. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. Now we are going to mix. You guys can see it's already getting like slimy. Alright, can you guys see that a little bit? Like, look at that. So this is actually not a fail. This works really well. Now you guys have to put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. And then leave it out for 2 days. And it will be slime. Like, so you can touch it. So, and that is what it looks like.